Okay, it's a quick tip. If you're stitching in some reinforcement to your deck and gluing it in place, holding the glue in place with stitches, if you do the method where each stitch you go around it once, so that your needle goes through each hole twice. If it's tight, I think it should be, because then it's holding its tension without you having to tie knots in it all the time. If it's tight, you don't, well, for one thing, have enough needles. For another thing, have enough drill bits, spare drill bits of the same diameter, because it'll be annoying to change diameter drill bit partway through the process. Yeah, here we go. I have been wearing a mask. I just took it off just to talk for a second. Proper mask. And if your hands are a bit dainty, you might want to wear at least one or some kind of glove that will enable you to pull hard on the string, because you don't want to be putting the tension on it through the needle. It's with that pulling on the string. The kind of strength in this string, I haven't been able to break it yet. There's a double layer, and I mean, I apply enough force on it to move the boat, not quite to lift it. So that's been up, it's been down, now it goes down once more. So that's real pretty, I'm beginning to think it's just about adequate tension in most places. Apart from over here, it's not. So I'm just going to make a couple more holes in there, actually put another stitch in it just to make my life easy. So it's inadequate tension at that point. I'm no expert at this, I'm just learning it, but I figure I might as well share what I've figured out now. Sometimes you get advice from an expert, and they've forgotten all the dumb things they did when they first did it, so they can't tell you those few dumb things not to do. This needs more, a little bit more up in here too. Well, there you go anyway, there's my quick tip. Cheers.